for some pages only in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word, then go to View. In View, make sure you click on Multiple Pages, which is below one page and above page width. After it's created to multiple pages, simply double-click on top of your screen, which is above text, and this kind of screen will pop up. You find header and footer option on top. Simply click on different first page. Make sure there's tick marking different first page. After there's tick marking different first page, simply select where you want to delete header. Simply select text of that page. After selecting text, you can simply backspace. After clicking on backspace, header will be removed. After that, you're good to go. That's how to remove header and footer for some pages only in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.